All right, welcome back, everybody. Gonna get a little welding done today. So, got a couple little spots in here that still need fixing, and then I got to get underneath here and weld up that piece there across on both sides. So, not looking forward to getting underneath, but got an early start. Not that hot in here yet. Gonna get started really quickly. Probably won't show any of it because it's welding, and I've got a few videos showing that anyway. The fake LT1, LT4, still waiting on some parts. Only thing I could really do to it is put an oil pan on it. Dad said don't waste any time, just work on your truck. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna get this old 3-speed, 4-speed, whatever this thing is, out of the 64. Get this thing out, and we'll go over some more of this of what he's been doing. He's been able to get some stuff done on it, during the week. I still have one of those things called a job. Takes most of my time. All the floor, we are done welding. Top and bottom's finished. I'm soaking wet. It is freaking hot. One of the cool things, after I finished welding everything up, Dad got in here, and what we found out was when they beat the holy crap out of the dash to get the radio in, basically everything just folded in, and they folded around behind the dash. So he was able to get a flathead and some hammers and start kind of knocking the stuff back out. I've tacked in what was cracked or broken, and then we're gonna sand it, put a little Bondo on it. But I mean, way, way better than it was. So I actually got a radio hole now that will probably work. And then depending on what radio I get, the faceplate may cover quite a bit of it. But yeah, I had no idea that was folded like it was. I thought they had cut it or something, but it was all just folded around. So he was in there working on it for a while. But yep, so passenger side, driver side, and underneath is done. I'm pretty much done welding, I think, for now. I don't think there's anything much else I need to weld. So the next steps will be doing a little Bondo and cleaning up on the radio hole for the dash. Seam sealer, top and bottom. And then I want to get back to the pour 15 on the frame, get the rest of the frame done. And then after that, we can probably push it in this hole right here. So it'll be sitting here, and we'll be able to work on it a little bit in the air conditioner. Got the transmission out, went ahead and did that. And then I'll show you kind of what Dad's been up to. He's still working on his kind of patina the way he wants it. And he said this is kind of the final product of what he wants to do. So he's added a little bit of brown to tone down the red. And he's added kind of this, I guess you call it aqua blue. But that's the look he's going for on this one. Looks pretty good. He's been wet sanding and cleaning and doing things. But like I said, I pulled the transmission out real quick, got that out of the way. He cut the bracket already, that stupid bracket that goes in there that's a pain in the butt. Still got to do a little cleaning up here and there, but a couple things. It's looking really good, though. But you can imagine he's added some more red and some more brown to this side. And then once he adds kind of that aqua blue color. Yeah, I did. I showed him. Yeah. That's kind of the look. We're not putting a bumper on it. Like I said, this one's just going to be, we're fixing it up a little bit here and there and then going to sell it. But so it's not going to have a bumper, but getting there. It was 112 here Friday. Last Friday it was 112 here. And that's not feels like, that's 112 ambient. Feels like was, I don't even know, probably 120. But that's going to do it for us. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell. Have a good one.